In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of your composition in After Effects. This might seem like a simple task, but it's one that can add a great deal of polish and professionalism to your project. So, let's dive right into it. First, you need to open the composition you're working in. This is your canvas, the place where your creativity flows and where you craft your animation magic. Ensuring you're in the correct composition is important, as these settings will only affect the active composition you have open. Next, you'll need to adjust some settings. To do this, navigate to the Composition menu at the top of your screen, and from there, select Composition Settings. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can quickly access this by pressing Ctrl+K if you're on a Windows machine or CMD+K on a Mac. This shortcut is handy and speeds up your workflow, something that every seasoned After Effects user appreciates. Once you're in the Composition Settings dialog, direct your attention to the bottom of this window. There, you'll see a small box or swatch labeled Background Color. Clicking this box will open the Color Picker dialog, which is where the fun begins. Here, you have the freedom to choose any color you wish for your background. You can go bold or subtle, depending on the mood and style of your project. Whether you're looking to evoke emotions with reds and oranges, or create a serene backdrop with blues and greens, the choice is entirely yours. After you've picked the perfect shade to complement your project, click OK to apply the changes. At this point, the Composition panel should now display the color you've chosen as your background. However, a word of caution here. If the transparency grid is enabled, you might see a checkerboard pattern instead of your selected background color. This checkerboard indicates that the areas are transparent, which can be useful for certain projects where you might want to composite your animation onto other footage or visuals. So if you see that pattern instead of your beautiful background color, don't worry. Simply look for the toggle transparency grid icon located at the bottom of the Composition panel and click it. Turning off the transparency grid will reveal your selected background color, allowing you to see how it interacts with the other elements of your composition. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background color of your composition in After Effects. This small change can have a big impact on the overall look and feel of your project. By understanding and utilizing this technique, you're adding another tool to your creative toolkit, and you're well on your way to mastering After Effects. Happy creating, and I hope this tip enhances your next animation project.